Welcome to the Capital Exchange. I'm Steve Wilbur, Managing Director at Allen Capital Group.
And I'm Travis Portwood, Chief Investment Officer with Allen Capital Group.
Travis, the Federal Reserve met last week. Surprised no one. Chairman Powell left rates unchanged.
Yeah.
However, they did hint that the current rate of 5.25 to 5.5 is likely to be the peak of this cycle, and at some point this year, they will, more than likely, cut rates. Shocker.
Yeah. Yes, Steve, but it's probably not going to be March. I mean, going into last week, markets were about 50-50 on the chances of rate cuts starting in March. However, Chairman Powell said the economic outlook is uncertain, and it's not likely the committee will be confident that inflation has been tamed by the March meeting. Might be a little premature. So.
Right, Travis, but markets didn't seem to care.
No.
we had significant earnings reports from a few of the Super 7 stocks, including Meta, Google, and Microsoft last week, all positive. That pushed the S&P 500 to all-time new highs. And a matter of fact, in one day, Meta added $196.8 billion worth of market cap. The largest one-day addition in market cap for any company in the history. I wonder if Zuckerberg made some money that day.
Yeah, I imagine they did. That was a wild move higher for Meta for sure, Steve. And part of that hype was, Meta declared its first ever dividend. But those moves higher last week also compounded another dynamic in the S&P 500, which we've discussed in the past. Extreme concentration in the index. The market value of the top 10 companies in the S&P 500 is the highest it's been since you were born. 50 years ago. So
good one.
So, I want investors should be aware of that dynamic and remind themselves of one of finance's iron laws, and that's reversion to the mean does happen. It's a powerful force, but we just never know when it's going to happen. So we should take steps to be prepared for moves like that.
That's so true, Travis. It's been great. I look forward to it next week.
Look forward to it as well.